Hello everyone. This presentation is based on the entrepreneurship concept and the topic is licensing and other registrations required. These are the following members who have created this presentation. Next, licensing. Licensing is the agreement between two business entities. It is the rights given to the licensee and the licensor to use it. The following things which can be used by the licensee is the technology, patents, trademarks, design, processes, etc. And these can be extended by the fees or any other royalty equipments. Next. Definition: the rights to manufacture or market or a product to another individual or organization through a legal agreement or contract is known as licensing. This contract or agreement can be under any fees, commission, or royalty. The person who is granting the license is known as the licensor, and the person who is receiving the license is known as the licensee. Next. Objective or the main aim of the license: the it protects and promotes small scale sectors. It can regulate foreign capital investment and technology, to encourage scope and import and export, to regulate government rules and industrial policies. Next.
List of industries in which licensing is compulsory. Licensing is very compulsory for the any type of manufacturing process is start or otherwise business is start. The first one is the coal and ignite. The second one is the petroleum and dieselization product. Then mainly these two types of the list of industry which required a licensing is compulsory. After the licensing is compulsory, we can produce a business. We can easily product manufacturing and import and export. The third one is the alcoholic drinks, cigarettes, defense equipments, hazardous chemicals, drug and pharmaceuticals. These all are required to compulsory licensing is compulsory. The major element of a licenses agreement. The major elements is the covers the all financial agreement between the two parties, establish the time of frame of the deal. The third one is the address the issue of the quality, which parties maintain control the copyright, patents and trademark. The specify how disputes will be resolved in the which countries. Benefits of licensing: increasing its brand presence to retail distribution outlet. The second one is the creating further brand awareness to support its core products or services, and entering a new market which were unfeasible with a cutting edge or capabilities. The next.
Basic requirement. What type of licensing and restriction must be applied for application? It has two types, evaluation and non-expiring. What type of all possible ways customers will be able to active transfer licenses? How reliable internet connectivity for your users, like internet speed and mobile setup? Next. What is process of licensing? The licenses will benefit from superior technology to produce better quality of product. Small companies may not have resources to conduct research and development that is necessary to provide new other superior product and good better product quality. Next.